Oh, hi there.
Oh, hi.
We didn't see you, but here we are, ready to share favorites.
I have a lot.
He has a lot. This is living legend Scott Barnes. You've become like, what would you be? Like, what do they call it in the sitcoms? Not a series regular, but like you drop on in like
That's
all the
a series
time.
regular.
Are you a series regular?
Yeah, I could be, yeah.
But
I want to be.
You want to be? Oh, okay. Scott is petitioning to be a series regular here on my channel, and I love it. Like, this is a dream come true, honestly. Like, every single time you're here, I'm just like,
it's just fun.
I can't believe it. Scott Barnes is in the house.
We're having a good time. And you know, the thing is, I think what's amazing about you is that you deliver such good information to people and it's honest. And I think that, as I tell you all the time, you're so generous with your spirit, your love, and the way you treat people. And it really resonates with everybody that watches your channel. That's the reason why your numbers are the way they are. With that being said, we have been hanging out and talking about the things that we love and the things that we don't love and what products work really well. And she's been introducing me to things and I've been introducing her to things. Part of the thing that I use is a lot of professional makeup products for TV, film, movies.
And we all want to know what they are because we now live in a digital age where we're taking photos, we're taking video, and I think like we all want to know like the real. Like, what are the pros using?
Well, I'm big on organizing, right? And lighting is really important.
Yes.
I have a few things that I love. One thing is my GLAMCOR mirror.
I love this one.
Yeah, this is my Riki.
This.
You can see yourself.
Sure can.
And you can see us on the monitor.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing. This can sync to do selfies, and it has a magnetic thing, and it's very thin, and it weighs nothing, so it travels well.
It's just like bonus.
For
I have that one too.
Hotel use. I mean, when you're on the road.
Love it.
Ooh. So speaking of on the road, I love lights, right? So here is another little cute little product I picked up, and they stick to the mirror, and they got like that stuff that they use to pick up cat lint that you just rinse off, and then it's sticky again. So these stick right onto the mirror, and they're lights. So let me show you what that is on and off, just so you guys can see.
Right?
Off, on. So they actually generate quite a bit of light.
They do.
They come in a set of 4, and it comes in this lovely little package.
Do you know what else you can do with them?
They're rechargeable.
You can like help a friend and like make the highlight like more highlighty. Like if you're taking a selfie and you're like, stand back and point it at me.
Or if you're in a nightclub and you want...
Wait, we're bringing these to a nightclub? Okay.
Listen, and you want to be beautiful in the corner, you could be like, hello.
Oh.
He's not here right now. Please leave a message.
Is that girl glowing in the corner? What highlight is she wearing? Oh, she's
hoeing in the corner. Glowing and hoeing.
Okay, we love that.
Brush bar. This is a great little product. I don't know if you guys know this. See it?
I didn't know this.
If you take a look over here, all the brushes are scattered all over the table.
Yep.
And when you are in the middle of doing your makeup, these just stand up nicely.
Tati Cam it so they can see what a mess it is for a second.
Tati Cam it.
Tati Cam.
So there's our little Stilazzi. Let's put a Scott Barnes brush in there.
So this is like the sad before of like, oh my God, we need help. And then
master disaster, and then boom.
Boom. Help is served.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not a crazy thing, but this is really great for your vanity. So when you're working, and it also separates your brushes so that it's not laying down, or sometimes you spill water and your brushes get wet.
Yeah.
And then you can't finish your makeup. It's happened. And it keeps everything organized. We love that.
So this is something you can purchase on Amazon. It's a high coverage foundation, but I actually don't use it as foundation. I'll use it as a spot cover. It's just like very intense coverage.
Ooh, it's got some slip to it? I see that.
It's really long lasting. It has a tiny bit of a sheen. The way that it sinks into the skin is so nice.
Is this the thing that covers tattoos, right? Yeah, I've seen this.
If you put it all over your face, you're asking for trouble. I've done that. I filmed that. And
How was it?
It was terrible all over the face.
Why?
It collected in a lot of lines, and it just got a little bit too greasy.
A little too heavy.
So everybody was hating on this product for the longest time. And I'm like, well, but what if you just used a tiny little bit? And
it seems concentrated.
Yeah.
So you know what? You can also thin that out probably. I don't know what the base of that is, but you can probably use an oil with it, and it will probably become really thin and probably very glowy.
Have you seen this?
Yes,
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love SISLEY. SISLEY is one of my go-to skincares.
Scott approves of the things that I like.
Do you see this?
Oh, hey, cheers.
Yes,
Sisley is good. Double Tenseur. You guys, I'm still like in this for primer when I really need to juice up the skin.
This is, black rose
black
oil.
Rose. Yes.
You're going to die over this. This is, you ready?
Yes.
The Lippy book.
Oh.
Does anybody know this?
I had never seen this, you guys, because just wait for it. Look at how much you can fit in there. Are you kidding me?
Yes, look, watch. And we flip.
And flip.
Here's all the oranges. There's all our orange reds.
Dude, if you are the everyday gal with a big collection, because a lot of us have them, this is so nice.
That's the that's the small one.
That's the small one? No.
Now this is the Pro. This is the Lippy Pro. Now this is, feel the weight of this.
Do you go through LAX with this?
Yes.
Oh my God.
It's
like
so
a
heavy.
bowling ball of
I know.
lip products.
Well, you have clients and they're like, well, I want a pink. And you're like,
oh my God.
here's the book. You want some pinks? Here's some pinks.
This actually holds every lip gloss ever made.
Yes. And then, you know, it's double-sided. So, and then it's got pages upon pages.
What's like a good creamy lip gloss?
Victoria Duke. You cannot, this is, I'm sorry.
It's good.
The colors are right. Like, I'm a big fan of the Huda lip glosses.
Yeah.
They're great. Sometimes the color can go off a little bit where it looks a little on the gray side, or I don't know if anybody's ever noticed that. These stay true, but they're shiny. It's not a matte pigment.
For sure.
So, now, it's talking about books. Melt Cosmetics.
Ooh, they just got into SEPHORA.
Also has like purse strap. I don't know where you're going with it, but just in case you go out to dinner and you need some pencils. Got those, you know.
Can you imagine?
So I travel, I have about 4 or 5 of these just with pencils.
Do you travel with all this stuff?
I travel everywhere with it. When I go to do a job, that's how we keep everything organized,
have you
cataloged.
lost all of it?
No, and I don't intend to. I have good karma.
I always get stopped when I have like a Dior bag that organizes all the makeup, and I usually put that on top of my carry-on.
Okay.
Every single time, they just give me hell for it. They pull it apart and like,
what is this? What is this?
And you're like, what is this? And
what is this?
It's lipstick.
You're like,
it's just lipstick, please.
It's a bullet.
Right? I don't know.
It's a lipstick bullet.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about skin.
Okay, let's
talk about summer skin. Self-tanners.
Yikes. I'm not good at them. I'm actually really bad.
Okay,
which is why I love this kind of a product.
All right, I have a tent at my house, and I have a machine. Everybody gets spray tan at the house. And
oh, all right, I'm coming over.
It's spray tan party at my house all the time. I'm big on like, don't go in the sun. Everybody save your skin. Make sure that, you know, like if you're gonna go out in sun, make sure that you have a lot of SPF on, like Neutrogena, as I talk about all the time, because you wanna save your skin. Not just from like skin cancer, but looking haggard, man. Skin, as much as it gives you vitamin D, it can also rob you of your beauty.
Accelerated aging, no thank you. Get a tent.
So that brings me to, in 2004, when I launched Body Bling Original and Platinum. These were 2 products that I made because there was just a hole in the market and there was no body makeup that was sheer and shimmery.
Yep.
Now everybody's come out with it and copied it.
But yours really is a product that did not exist. Like, I've said this time and time again that I saved up my money to purchase this because literally there was nothing else like it.
There wasn't.
There wasn't. And everybody at the time, they're like, oh my God, what's on your arms? Why do your arms look like that? And I'm like, Body Bling.
There's a few products that I just got turned on to while I was in New York filming this movie that I did with Jennifer Lopez called Hustlers. But this HAMPTON Sun, I don't know if anybody's heard of this product before. They sent it to me and I was like, all right, what is it? This. Amazing stuff.
Just casual moment. I feel like death becomes her.
I know when you're getting spray painted, you're like, what is happening?
Oh, snap. Instant fan. Without flashing you all, I'm golden.
It's really kind of amazing.
Right?
And this is an Airbrush bronzing mist.
It dries fast.
It's a quick dry down and it doesn't move, which was really interesting. Now, they also had an accompanied product with it, which was this gold kind of shimmer.
It smells really nice too.
It's got a great scent.
The mister on it is really nice. That I'm so big
on it. Who are you calling a mister, mister?
No, but do you know what I mean? Like some of the setting sprays, you go like this and it's like, is this rave hairspray? It's just like, it's like right in your face.
It's like you're dripping.
Like, oh, you know, like it has to be like a nice.
Dripping. Yeah, no, it's just like a whole thing.
This is cool.
This is my friend Roxanne Rizzo.
Okay, hi Roxanne.
Roxanne's like, here, I'm gonna give you some bronze glow. I'm like, what is it? I was like, is it a self-tanner? It looks like a self-tanner.
It's self-tan in a can that's not self-tan?
Exactly.
Kind of.
It's a bronzer. Yeah. So what it does is, I'm gonna do it on your, let's do it on your whiteness.
Oh my God, I'm embarrassed all of a sudden. Wait, that is way too dramatic. Look at my arm. Oh, I can't. I felt like this was actually like, now that I have my foundation on, I've woken up, I feel like refreshed and good. But hello. Okay, let's fix that.
All right.
Right?
So just with like what's great is that this is, and it just gives you that topical kind of color. Yeah, so it works.
It just gives you like this
I sprayed it a little not evenly.
No, but it's natural.
It's natural.
It's natural.
But it's now it's kind of in the same ballpark that your face is in.
Not even, but
okay, but close enough-ish.
But we could get there if we took the time.
You know, we love the
love.
Right? So this is like a version of this.
Yeah.
It just, this doesn't smell great. You're not like, oh my gosh, this kind of smells like roach spray, but.
I like it. Do you know why? It reminds me of working the makeup counter. Like the scent. Like it honestly brings me back to being at Nordstrom and you know, selling makeup.
What you got for me?
My favorites really aren't as cool for sure. Oh wait, you know what we could show? The Dyson that I have now used for
It's the Dyson.
PG-13.
Okay, you can bleep that out. Cut it out.
Behave.
Or I'm gonna torch you.
So I now use this to dry lash glue. I will use it to heat up my lash curler, to warm up pencils. I'll use it to, on the cool setting, to dry my face off of setting spray. Like I have found so many ways to use this tool to justify the $500 price tag.
Seriously? $500? Okay, because I was like, oh, this is cool.
Wait, no, Scott, prepare to be amazed. Are you ready?
Wait, hold on a second.
No, watch.
Before you go into what else it does that it's actually designed to do, what about the fact that it looks like Mr. Microphone? You are full on having a concert. Like
I am. I'm Beyonce, right?
Oh.
I'm just like,
Yes, and you got a chord. Yes. Okay. Don't sing it, because then we can't play the video.
Nope, not on this channel.
Not happening. Not today.
I hated this thing at first, by the way.
No. Stop it.
And you blast it with a little cool. Yes. I only really like this for its ability to like volumize and swoop the hair.
Swoopty.
If you have a lot of hair, if you have long hair, and it's sold to kind of blow dry the hair, you're gonna be 2 hours deep doing your hair. It just won't work for that.
So if I use that on my hair, what's it gonna do? Just stand straight up?
Well, it's just not gonna do much for you, Scott, because
I'm pretty perfect already.
You're
I'm joking.
You know what you need with the beard thing. I really want to see you put like the little shimmer in there.
I like shimmer. I like the idea of shimmer in the beard.
Really?
Yeah, this is my shipwrecked look.
Do you want to go there? Because I think I have it.
No. I have to go to the gym after this. And I don't want to be made fun of.
You don't want to glitter it?
Can we talk about these Huda things?
Sure.
These?
Yes,
have you used them?
Of course I have.
Okay, this is what I used on Jen at the
Yes.
Met Gala. Insert photo.
Love. Do you get nervous when it's that like type of an event, or you're just so in this all the time that you're like, let's go?
Well, you know what it is? I try not to overthink it before I get there. I'm like, okay, this is what I want to do. I saw the drawings and I saw what Versace was making for Jennifer, and I thought it was beautiful. And I was like, this is really sexy and it's fun. But you know, anytime you're dealing with like wigs that aren't made out of hair, they're made out of beads or tinsel or whatever, right? Yes. You really have to make sure that everything is sculpted, because it's a foreign thing around your face, and it just, you know, all of a sudden can be you can get lost in it.
Yeah.
So eyes had to stand out, bones had to stand out, everything had to be sharp, and it was great.
It was so gorgeous.
And these by Huda are wonderful. They work really well. And I used one of my new lashes on Jennifer for that.
Do we get to see that, or is that hush, hush, hush?
No, sure. We can look.
Sure. Let's look. I'm wearing Scott's lashes right now too. Claudia's.
These are Gina.
Gina.
Yeah. They're
those are like very
well, they're spacey, but they're full. You know, and so I don't like when things are too heavy at the base. Then it has a tendency to make the eye look like a caterpillar sitting on it.
Yeah.
And it's a little too heavy, and a lot of people can't wear that.
I can't wear that.
It makes your eye look small.
It really, like, there are some lashes that just like
they're called falsettos. These
are
my synthetics. I do, you know, mink lashes because I came out with the mink lash. I was the first person to kind of create that movement.
Where'd they go?
Are you really want to show everybody my highlighters?
Why not? You're like the king of glow, like behind the scenes moment.
Glowy and hoey.
Get ready for it, because when these launch, you're gonna want them. Like you've never wanted anything in your life, because this is gonna make you glow like nothing you've seen before. Like,
and those are all my favorite tones.
I am so pulled in by so many of these colors, and the funny thing that you do is he'll like go like this in the highlight pan, like in all of these, and then and it looks perfect. I don't know how.
I'll tell you, there's a thought process behind it and the way I lay them out. See how this is kind of like a rusty, bronzy, and then this one's very gold, and this is pink, and this is white, and this is pink, and these are more like almost candlelit, right? That's probably the right word.
Oh my God, yes.
Look at that, just that little bit. And it's
so
super soft too, which is so great. I'm gonna show you guys this. I just haven't popped in a Z palette at the moment, but look at that.
When are they coming out?
They're saying September.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to be patient. Sorry for teasing you.
It's coming. I'm not trying to make you guys crazy, but I'm just letting you guys know that stuff is in the works and it's happening and it's really phenomenal.
Well, one thing I know for sure with Scott and his products and his craft, like everything that he comes out with has taken time and thought. And like, I was joking around that his mascara, I was like, and this is the mascara that took 20 years to make. And he's like 5. Like, but I mean, like even that, like.
I physically make each and every single product. Yep. So I'm in the lab and then it comes back and then I send it back and then it's not right. And I give it notes and then I use it on set and I'm like, it didn't hold up. Didn't look good under the lights. It didn't look good. It flaked. It did that. I mean, like literally, if it's just not meeting my expectations.
You're not going to put it out. You're
not doing it.
I'm looking for the mascara. My eyes keep going everywhere. I'm like, where did that freaking mascara go? I'm wearing this mascara today and it is a gorgeous formula. You can use it on top of your lashes, under your lashes. It's water resistant but not waterproof, so it's not going to take you 5,000 years to remove, but it's not going to smudge.
Right.
I really want to sing Pumped Up the Jam, but I can't.
But you can't.
So
come on, that was gold right there.
This mascara was named while Scott was lifting some really heavy weights and thinking about makeup.
Me?
Oh my gosh, everybody uses this monitor to like straight up flex and you're actually like, oh wow, flexing. Okay. And on that note, my friends, everything that we just discussed will be listed in the description box below, including where to find the fabulous Scott Barnes. Go follow him on Instagram, go appreciate his work.
I forgot one of my favorite products though.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay, last favorite.
All right.
We have room for one more. Oh my gosh, you're really
so
kind
good.
to do this.
They're so good. I wouldn't say this if it wasn't so good. It keeps staring at me.
Because the thing is, I was nervous giving him this because I know that Scott does not hold back and he's been in the industry long enough that he would never be the person to be like, this product's awesome unless it
You just want to eat them all at once, like Valley of the Dolls.
Oh my God, please don't do that.
Okay, sorry.
Bad Scott, no. You can take 2 original Halo daily or 1 kiwi.
Okay, I've been using it.
And you love it.
51, look at my skin.
Your skin looks great. Your skin does look more moisturized. It does.
It is.
So there we have it. All right. All of our favorites.
Glowy and Hoey.
Glowy and Hoey. I will link everything you need to know below. You know, videos that Scott's been on my channel, other videos, products, and then thumbs this video up and let us know in the comments below what you would like to see Scott do next on my channel, because I'm already like wanting him back for more.
Oh boy.
You're now a character, you're part of the family, and I'm in it. I love it. So
yeah, same here. I like being here.
That being said, you guys, make sure you are subscribed, ring the bell, go have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
Be kind to one another.